Since different people have different needs, our list of the top 5 best hair clippers are of no specific order. For more information on any of the best hair clippers we listed in this video, make sure to check out the links in the description box down below. Wahl Color Pro Cordless Hair Clipper. Most affordable. Let me introduce you to the Wahl Color Pro Cordless Hair Clipper. If you're someone who likes a reliable, easy-to-use clipper without breaking the bank, this might be the one for you. One of the standout features is its color-coded guide combs. If you're like me and don't want to guess which length you need, this is a lifesaver. Each color corresponds to a different length, so it's as simple as picking the right color and clipping away. It's also cordless, which gives you flexibility to move around without the hassle of wires tangling up. And speaking of battery life, this clipper runs for about 60 minutes on a full charge, which is decent for most home haircuts. The self-sharpening blades are another bonus. They stay sharp longer, meaning you won't have to worry about dulling performance anytime soon. Cleaning it is also a breeze. It's washable under running water, so maintenance isn't something you'll have to stress about. However, as with any product, there are a few cons. Some users mention that the battery could take a while to fully charge, and if you have thicker hair, you might find that the motor isn't as powerful as some higher-end models. But given its price point, these are minor trade-offs for a product that generally performs very well. Remington ER-GP80 Shortcut Pro. Best for self-cuts. Now let me tell you about the Remington Shortcut Pro. If you're someone who prefers to take control of your own haircuts, this clipper has been designed with you in mind. One of the first things you'll notice is its compact, ergonomic design. It fits comfortably in your hand, making it really easy to navigate around your head. This design alone makes it ideal for self-cuts because you can reach those tricky spots without the awkward angles. Its extra-wide curved blade is another feature worth mentioning. It's designed to contour to your head, allowing for more coverage with each pass, which significantly cuts down the time spent on your haircut. You also get a full set of 9 length combs, ranging from 1/16 to 5/8, so whether you're going for a close shave or leaving some length, there's an option for you. And speaking of cutting time, the cordless feature is a game changer. It runs for about 40 minutes on a full charge, which should be plenty for a complete cut. However, if you prefer corded use, it also works while plugged in, so you're never stuck with a dead battery. On the downside, some users mention that the battery life could be longer, especially for those with thicker hair that might take more time to trim. Also, the wider blade may require some practice to get the precision you want in detailed areas like around the ears. Andis Master Cordless Clipper. Best for professionals. If you're serious about haircuts, Andis Master Cordless Clipper might just be the professional-grade tool you've been looking for. One of the first things you'll notice is its aluminum housing. Not only does it give the clipper a premium feel, but it's also durable enough to withstand heavy use, which is why many barbers swear by this model. What really sets the Andis Master apart, though, is its rotary motor. This powerful motor runs at 7,200 strokes per minute, which means it slices through even the thickest hair with ease, giving you smooth and precise cuts every time. The adjustable blade is another great feature. You can easily fine-tune it from 000 to 1, giving you full control over the length of your cut. It's perfect for fades, tapers, and all the detailed work that professionals need to do. Being cordless, the Andis Master gives you up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is impressive. However, I've seen some feedback that mentions the battery could drain faster if you're working on thick or textured hair, so keep that in mind if you're doing long sessions. The only major con is that it can get a bit hot after extended use, which isn't uncommon for such a powerful clipper, but it's something to consider if you need it for continuous use. That said, its performance more than makes up for this minor issue. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Panasonic ER-GP80 K Professional Hair Clipper. Best for performance. Let's dive into the Panasonic ER-GP80 K Professional Hair Clipper, which really stands out if you're looking for precision and power all in one package. First off, this clipper is equipped with a high-torque motor that delivers 10,000 cuts per minute. What that means for you is a smooth, consistent performance even when you're cutting through thick or coarse hair. The clipper also features X-taper blades with a 45-degree cutting edge, which ensures that every cut is sharp and efficient. This is particularly useful for getting those detailed, close cuts that require a bit more finesse. The adjustable dial on the clipper lets you switch between different lengths ranging from 0.8mm to 2.0mm without needing to change blades. This makes it super convenient, especially if you like to experiment with different styles or is a professional who needs versatility. When it comes to battery life, it offers up to 50 minutes of cordless use on a full charge. While this is decent, I've seen some users mention that they wish it lasted a bit longer, especially for extended cutting sessions. However, it does work while plugged in, so you're never left stranded mid-haircut. One thing to keep in mind is that it's a bit more expensive. But for the performance and durability you're getting, it's worth the investment. The lightweight, ergonomic design also makes it comfortable to use for long periods without fatigue. If you're looking for a tool that combines performance and precision, this could be the one for you. Oster Classic 76 Universal Motor Clipper. Best overall. Let me tell you why the Oster Classic 76 Universal Motor Clipper has earned that spot. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, professional-grade clipper, this is the one that barbers have been relying on for years. One of the standout features of this clipper is its universal motor, which is incredibly powerful. It's built to handle all hair types, whether thick, coarse, or fine, with ease. The motor runs smoothly, allowing you to get through even the toughest cuts without the clipper slowing down. In terms of durability, the Oster Classic 76 is made to last. It has a break-resistant housing and a rugged design, so even if you drop it or use it for hours at a time, it'll hold up well. Another key feature is the detachable blade system. You can easily switch between different blade sizes for various cutting lengths, making it highly versatile. It comes with size 000 and 1 blades, which are great for a variety of cuts. But you can also buy additional blades if you need more specific lengths. Now, let's talk about some of the trade-offs. One thing you might notice is that it's heavier than many modern clippers, so if you're planning on using it for long periods, it might feel a bit tiring. Also, while it's extremely reliable, the corded design means you're tethered to an outlet, which may limit your mobility if you're used to cordless options. But overall, the combination of its power, durability, and consistent performance makes it hard to beat. Whether you're a professional barber or just someone who takes haircuts seriously, this clipper is worth the investment. So, which of these hair clippers do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like. It's easier than deciding which hair clippers to buy. Subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time.